Today we are going to sculpt from Russian traditional homemade sculpting dough. It's made with just 3 simple ingredients: water, flour and salt. It's called salted modeling dough, or you can also call this fun in Russian хлебосол. So we need 1 glass of salt, 1 glass of water and 2 cups of flour. Very simple, right? First, we mix warm water with salt, so that the salt dissolves better. Then, add flour and knead to a play dough consistency or cookie dough. I hope you understand from the video. I can't explain it with words. The dough is very elastic and doesn't stick to your hands. You can cut it out with the cookie cutters and then it hardens, paint it. Children really like this activity, and you can also make nice gifts with your own hands for grandparents or Christmas toys for the tree. I'm making a snowman candlestick and a few more facades to glue them together and turn them into another candlestick or candle holder house. I don't know how to say it. Turn on your limitless imagination and get creative. It's so fun. At such moments, I feel like returning to my childhood, and this is a wonderful feeling.
Всем привет! Вы на канале Валя Саша делают поделки. Мы сегодня будем делать вот такие поделки.
And the next craft will be a 7-pointed star. It seems to be from Swedish Christmas culture, but I'm just in love with Sweden and the stars. So I intend to try. By the way, I also made this white 5-pointed star in the background. Love her. Now I want to make her a Swedish friend. I only had gray paper, so this star will be gray. I found a free template on Pinterest and translated it to paper over a laptop screen. And then I translated it into paper. But you can make it easier and print it on a printer. I don't have a printer, so I went the long way. A link to the template in the description. The fact is that you just need to cut out 7 of these patterns, bend them along the edges, punch them with a hole punch, and then glue them together. Very simple, but it takes a long time. I admit I'm pretty tired, but I'm all absolutely satisfied. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.